Hello friends, this is solved question paper of Vice Principal LDCE Limited Departmental Competitive Exam, and this question paper contained questions based on clause, voice, narration, determiners, and tense. Here, question number one is choose the correct part of a speech of the underlined word, and the word is a bath. So he takes a bath every morning before he steps out. This is simple present tense. And a bath, this is countable noun. Okay, and it refers to the act of washing. So here correct option is third, a noun. Second question, identify the underlined clause in the given sentence. We know there are three kinds of clause: principal clause, subordinate clause, and coordinate clause. And subordinate clause divided into three kinds. Okay, noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. So let us see. He noticed that the clock had not been working for a long time. So and this is noun clause. Okay, why? Because it is a direct object clause. Okay, means what did he notice? What did he notice? So he noticed that the clock had not been working for a long time. So it is noun clause option. Third is the right option. Question number three, identify the tense form of the underlined verb. He is having a good time in London with his friends and colleagues. So he is having, this is present continuous. Option C. Question number four, fill in the blank with the correct preposition. The officer was entrusted blank the task of preparing the annual report of the company. Okay, so here correct option should be option 3 with इंटरेस्टेड विद नाउ इट इंटरेस्टेड विद के साथ प्रीपोजिशन को ऐड करने से इट बिकम फ्रेजल वर्ब. ओके, एंड फ्रेजल वर्ब इंटरेस्टेड विद का मीनिंग क्या होता है? टू गिव द रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. ठीक है, किसी को कोई रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी या जिम्मेदारी देना. इंटरेस्टेड विद, दिस बिकम फ्रेजल वर्ब. ठीक है, इंटरेस्टेड विद मीन्स गिवन द रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. Question number 5. Identify part of sentence which has an error. The shopkeeper deals with artificial jewelry and cosmetics only. So here error is C. Deals with. This with is wrong here. And it should be in. Okay. Deals in. And deals in means, this is correct phrasal verb. And deals in means buys and sells. खरीदना और बिक्री, खरीदना और बेचने का जो कार्य होता है, that is deals in. Okay, buys and sells. Question number 6. Rearrange the part of the given sentence in correct order. And parts, there are 4 options. Beat up the inmates, entered the bungalow, and band of robbers, and decamped with the booty. So here correct sequence should be start with C. Okay, a band of robbers entered the bungalow, beat up the inmate, and decamped with booty. So option 1 is correct answer here. Now question number 7. And question number 7 is choose the word opposite in meaning to the given word. And word is command. So its correct opposite or antonym should be criticize. Option 4. Question number 8. Choose the word nearest in meaning to the given word. And word is frugal. So its nearest meaning means synonym should be option 2. Frugal means using only as much as necessary. किफायती जिसको बोलेंगे. ओके, और मितव्ययी, कंजूस, एक काइंड ऑफ कंजूस, जो मतलब जो बहुत सोच समझ के जो खर्च करता हो. सो हियर करेक्ट ऑप्शन फ्रुगल मीन्स majorly, option second. And question number 9, choose the option which correctly change the given sentence into indirect speech. The traveler said to me which. So sentence जो है वो इंटरोगेटिव है, रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. तो पहला जो काम करना है, said to को आस्क करेंगे, आस्क्ड. ओके, विच अगर WH वर्ड दिया हो तो यहाँ पर कोई कंजक्शन का यूज नहीं करना है. ओके, सो ट्रेवलर आस्क्ड मी विच वे. अब विच वे के बाद में लीड्स, दिस इज सिंपल प्रेजेंट, चेंज इट इनटू सिंपल पास्ट. ओके, सो इट बिकम V2. क्लियर, इट विल बिकम V2. सो सी ऑप्शन 4, द ट्रेवलर आस्क्ड मी विच वे. अब लीड्स जो है प्रेजेंट है तो इसका पास्ट क्या होगा, LEAD. ओके, लीड टू महाबलेश्वर. सो ऑप्शन 4 is the correct answer here. Next, question number 10, choose the option which correctly change the given active voice sentence into its passive form. And he will first means try to find out the object. ठीक है, और इसका ऑब्जेक्ट क्या होगा, द बुक और मी दोनों ही ऑब्जेक्ट है. ठीक है, सो द बुक और विल मॉडल है तो उसके साथ में बी लगाना है. ठीक है, द बुक विल बी. एंड रिटर्न का वी थर्ड, रिटर्न टू मी नेक्स्ट वीक. सो ऑप्शन थर्ड इज द करेक्ट आंसर हियर. द बुक विल बी रिटर्न टू मी नेक्स्ट वीक. Okay, so friends, thank you. These were the 10 questions asked in this exam of Vice Principal Limited Departmental Competitive Exam. Thank you all.